In this video, I will be showing you how to create Excel tables and graphs using Chatgpt. Let's get started. First, I go down to the search bar on my desktop and type in Excel. I click on the Excel application to open it up. Once it loads, I click on a blank workbook to start a fresh project. Next, I navigate to the top right of the Excel ribbon and click on the GPT for Excel Word button. This launches the AI side panel on the right side of the screen. I wait a few moments for the add-in to load completely. Once it is ready, I position my cursor into the prompt box under the Agent tab. Now, I type out a detailed prompt asking the AI to generate a table with 12 months of realistic sales data. I specify that the table should include columns for month, revenue, expenses, and profit. I also instruct it to automatically calculate the profit by subtracting expenses from revenue, format the data as an Excel table, and then create a clustered column chart comparing revenue and profit for each month. Finally, I ask it to place the chart beside the table and format the worksheet so it is presentation ready. With the entire prompt typed out, I press enter or click the send icon. I wait as the AI begins planning the next moves. It sets up the report layout, loads the charts, generates the written report details, and writes the table formulation formulas. We can see the progress updates directly in the chat panel. Suddenly, the data is pushed onto the spreadsheet. The table populates nicely with columns for FY 2026, month, revenue, expenses, and profit, complete with a monthly sales report header at the top and a total row at the bottom. The AI panel updates to show that it is applying formatting. However, it seems the credit limit has run out to finish the remaining automated chart and formatting steps. I close out the AI panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. Then I adjust my view by scrolling slightly to the right to review the generated data. I click on one of the cells to check the data, then click on the drop-down filter icon next to the profit column header to see the options. I click away to close the filter menu and take another look at the clean, formatted table that Chatgpt created for me. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.